We're at the Tanger Outlets at Myrtle Beach off Highway 501. We're going to take you on a full tour today and show you everything they have to offer. Here's the directory and here is the store directory. Let's take a walk and check everything out in person. So we've got the Ralph Lauren store right here off the bat. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Carmen. And if you're new to our channel and you enjoy travel videos, Myrtle Beach videos, and other Myrtle Beach information, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything new. Got the Nike store. Also, another thing to keep in mind right now is they do have different hours. By the time you watch this video, that could have changed, but at the time of the recording, their hours are actually 11 to 7, so that's different than they used to be. So definitely check their website before you head out. There's Johnston & Murphy, Forever 21. Got Brooks Brothers, Lid's Locker Room, Torrid. And if you're wondering where all the people are and why the fountain's off, this is actually before 11 a.m. We're here in the morning, getting a little walk in to give you a tour. Down here on the corner, we've got J. Crew, got Coach Factory. And if you've missed it, we do have a video on the Tanger Outlets that's off Highway 17. There's some similar shops, but there's also some different shops, and it's definitely a different layout. So I will link that video above and also in the description below. You can check that out as well. They are both in Myrtle Beach. Next up, we've got Direct Tools. Back around to Forever 21 on this side. Got the Candy Barrel. Crescent Gifts. They do have some nice landscaping here. A lot of trees and greenery is really nice. There's the Thomas Kincaid store. Simply Southern up here on the left. Rack Room Shoes. Midwest Monograms. Aunt Annie's. It's a pretzel shop if you're not familiar with them. Blondie's. And the Sunglass Hut there on the corner. And down here on this side, we've got Crocs, a Fragrance Outlet, K Jewelers Outlet, also there is Lids, which is a hat store. And so also during normal hours, some of these kiosks would be open with other items for sale. Here we're still at the Book Warehouse, which is a pretty good sized store. Then you've got Carter's and Oshkosh B'gosh. Across we've got Chico's, As Seen on TV store. Got Jockey. Over here we've got Samsonite. Well, that's a little creepy. That just turned on suddenly. I guess it's motion detecting. Clark's Outlet, Under Armour, Nautica, up ahead Banana Republic. Over on this side you've got Under Armour. Here's some Italian Ice. And over here we've got Tommy Hilfiger. Let's see, let's go this way first. We got Banana Republic. It's a nice dolphin fountain. I know that's probably really cute when that's on. Got Reebok over here. Timberland. Adidas. And they've also got some really giant chairs for a photo op there. Also a tip, there are stores along the outside, not just on the inside. So we've got the Levi's store right here. So this isn't accessible from the middle. You have to come around, as you can see, to the parking lot. Over there is 501. And also on the outside, we've got DXL Men's Outlet. Next up is the Old Navy Outlet. It's a pretty large store. They also have one of those at the other Tanger location off Highway 17. Across here we have the Lee Wrangler Outlet. Highway 55 Burgers, Shakes, and Fries. And up ahead we've got Aeropostale and Rue 21 Cavern Virtual Reality Arcade. Here's the Eddie Bauer outlet. It's also one of the outlets that's on the outside towards the parking lot. And then across the way there's also some other things. There's a Carolina Pottery which takes up most of the space. So you can actually see that from here. It is huge. Here's the Uniform Outlet. Next up is the Lenox Outlet. And across the way we've got the Guess Outlet and Claire's. Another Sunglass Hut. There's the Children's Place Outlets. They do have a guest services here. This Tanger Outlet Shopper Services. Rawlings. And across the way, got the Lane Bryant Outlet. Over here we've got Hanes Brands Outlet, and then a Haagen-Dazs Nestle Toll House Cafe. Also over here across the way we've got Burlington Brands, and then Christopher and Banks. Next up is Famous Footwear, the Finish Line, New Balance Clearance Store, Cellmax, Justice, Skechers, Maurice's, the Fudgery, and now we're back up to Tommy Hilfiger. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.